Told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark.
We are off to Denny's for breakfast. It's right opposite IHOP, the IHOP we used the other day on the International Drive. So we thought we'd give Denny's a go. We did go to Denny's last time, so we shall let you know which one we reckon is best. And then later on we're going to Seaworld. So they've got the food festival on at Seaworld and Mardi Gras today. It happens on every Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I believe it goes on for about 6 to 8 weeks. Yeah, we're heading there, aiming to get there about 11, half 11, and it's open till 10 PM today, so we can stay later today, but we may even go to Cheesecake Factory for dinner tonight, to the one at Vineland. Right, so we're doing our little walk, our little mile walk to walk off a few of yesterday's calories. Here at Denny's.
I've gone for a very small
omelette. Mason build his own breakfast with buttermilk pancakes. I've got the cinnamon pancake breakfast. Trevor's just off to buy his new bike. So this is the Walt Disney store. It's not an outlet, it's a proper store. And they opened it last year, I believe. Yeah. So we're going to go have a little look in here, see what they've got. Wait, definitely Denny's over IHOP, wasn't it? Service.
Last time we came, IHOP was better. This time, it's the other way around.
Yeah, Denny's, the service was a lot better.
And cleaner.
Yeah, it was a lot cleaner.
Better atmosphere, better attitude.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, going to look at more tats. Says we love it. This has got a huge selection of TY toys. This is a nice one actually.
Oh, look at this big ball.
Oh yeah. Grandma doesn't need more Florida magnets. Just Seaworld, because she hasn't got a Seaworld one.
I didn't say they spend the big bucks at Seaworld.
Did she? Well, she probably won't remember that. She might not remember that. Quite suits you. You're like a gangster. These are nice, these rash vests. Like these.
Rash vest.
Yeah, rash vest. $25. Jiggly wiggly.
Oh, I want to make him light up.
Oh, he likes that. Nice and looking duty. There's the famous upside down Ripley's Believe It or Not. Mason did buy his hat. There's Uncle Julio's where we had that chocolate piñata last year. That was really cool. So we're just having a stroll down I Drive because Lisa and Wendy aren't meeting us till 11:30, so thought we may as well stroll down rather than Ubering it. We're trying to decide which golf to do. This one looks really cool. We've got Gator Golf. Yeah, we've got Gator Golf up by us, but we might come down and do this one instead. Just having a little look in Walgreens. this stuff. They've got a zero sugar one that we brought the other day, and it's really, really nice. They got mint M&Ms in here that I didn't have in Walmart the other day. Sweeties. We've got quite a good selection in Walgreens. The Ghirardellis, these are what I brought the other day. Those ones, they're really nice. Hey, we're at Seaworld. It was $8, $9 in a lift from where we were on iDrive.
To be fair, we were only about a mile down the road.
Yeah, we are only about a mile. We've come through from that big one to this small one in the middle. We just sat watching the dolphin show. I need to get here quite early. They open the gates half an hour before, but they said every show is at capacity, especially at the weekend, so we got here just before past. We got a good seat right in the middle.
That's what I'm talking about! There we go, there we go. It looks like we're about to begin, all right? But before we begin, if you could do us a favor.
Can't wait. I really struggle.
He didn't give me a chance to.
Oh, look.
That's one.
That one. See those ones going above you?
Being a part of Seaworld's mission is more than just a job. We're proud of what we do, and it's a privilege for us to care for, build relationships with, teach, and learn from these amazing animals. Now, more than ever, we are honored to share our relationships with the whales and what we have learned with all of you. language between us and the whales. It's a language of learning, positive reinforcement, encouragement, commitment, and care.
Up. There's a big competition on between Trevor and my sister. We've come down to a Pirates Adventure Golf this evening. Everyone's very excited. Here you go.
Oh.
Oh! Do it slowly. Concentrate.
Slowly.
Oh!
Lisa.
No, that's crossed out.
Oh.
How much more has
The names are at the top and Wendy's on the back.
How much do I get?
Wendy's 2.
2. One's in the back.
Yeah. Oh, was it 3?
Oh, yeah, they're so childish, I can't even read it.
Oh, I nearly fell backwards. Footprints.
Oh.
Oh. And here we have a professional golfer.
Tiger Taylor, 2.
Oh my gosh.
That might put her in the lead.
2. She's in the lead.
How much more?
Oh, that's a good one. Oh. Later.
Oh, you could have got right ahead of me then. If mine had... 2. 3, 4, 5, 6.
I'm telling my brother on you.
You're not cheating, you got every one of them.
That counts as a penalty. Oh no, and their new trainers are in the water. Oh. 3. Come on in, let's watch what Daddy's doing. Here he comes. Oh, is it going to be a water shot? It's down through here, mate.
Gonna make.
Oh my.
Ooh.
One.
You're talking to Mason.
I'm in love.
Auntie Lisa.
Oh.
I got that one on camera.
3. Who's in the lead?
There's Auntie Lisa.
Who's in the
Watch
lead?
out.
Auntie.
Ooh. Very close.
Awful.
But she's measuring up. Just going back up for a bag.
Oh. Pretty good.
Who's second?
Lisa is in the lead and won with 41. I got 44 and I haven't counted the other ones yet.
Oh.
You got 73.
You got 73, Wendy.
Oh my gosh, that means
So what was...
Mason and Mummy drew with 47.
Oh my God.
well done.
Oh mate, well done. I shall get you your glass of water tomorrow.
Oh, guess who's getting your string? Not me.
Can you get in the stocks, Mace? No, around the other side you get in.
No, you put your head and hands through it. That's it. And then we lock it really tight.
That's it.
And then we'll see you in the morning.
Can you go the other one, Lisa?
Baby,
Let's
that's
get a
the
photo.
night away. I let my head down the flight one. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you